Good morning, Neeti. Good morning, Shambhavi. Welcome, a very warm welcome to Inner Radiance with Rajni. Switch on your camera, guys. I want to see your bright, beautiful faces in the morning. Hey, Shambhavi, thank you for switching on the camera. Good morning. Hey, Neeti, if you can switch on your camera, we can exchange some good vibes, energies. Is my voice echoing or is it okay? That's fine. Okay, great. Yes. Morning again. People must be getting ready and so do you have office today? Have to go? No. Okay. Great. Great. So the first and the foremost thing I would say today again is I want you all to radiate your energy in the form of dance. Why? Because अगर हम सबको ये लगता है कि हम यहाँ सुबह सुबह बैठ जाएंगे स्क्रीन के सामने कुछ नोट्स बना लेंगे पढ़ाई कर लेंगे और लाइफ चेंज हो जाएगी तो नहीं होने वाली है telling you with my experience with everything energy is required to bring that transformation energy you have to radiate in that energy so it's about frequency फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या लगता है आपको लाइक हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी और लो फ्रीक्वेंसी किसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस किसमें सक्सेस किसमें लव अबंडेंस किस फ्रीक्वेंसी में है लो में या हाई में give me one word in the chat window tell me L if it is low tell me high if it is H Yes. So you know it that the high frequency attracts the high frequency things. So everything, I would say, it's magical when we raise our energy, when we raise our frequency, we start to attract everything which is of higher energy. If we want to have magic in life, if we want to have joy in life, if we want to have abundance in life, if we want to have success, money, the first thing is raise your energy. Yeah? Okay. So every time you guys do me a pinky promise and then you don't show me the dance. Okay, okay. So yes. Right. So as I always say, whatever is for you will always come to you. That is a guarantee. But the only thing we need to do from our end, first thing is raising our energy and frequency to, level up to that awesomeness of life which we are expecting to match up that there's a I always talk about it. I think you guys all know law of attraction, right? What is law of attraction? Not many of people get confused with attraction, that male and female attraction. It's not that. It's law of attraction is something wherever whichever frequency we vibrate at, we attract similar frequency things. अगर हम लोग लो फ्रीक्वेंसी पे वाइब्रेट कर रहे हैं तो हम उसी को अट्रैक्ट करेंगे अगर हम लैक लैक पे वाइब्रेट कर रहे हैं तो हम वही अट्रैक्ट करेंगे अगर हमें लाइफ में ऊपर चढ़ना है तो फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच उसी लेवल से करानी पड़ेगी मैं इसको रोज बताऊंगी ताकि तुम लोग के दिमाग में फिट हो जाए और फिर तुम लोग फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ाना शुरू कर दो ओके ओके सो बिफोर मूविंग अहेड I want you all to be very clear about what's your intention. So that is the second thing. आज का टॉपिक है हमारा seeking wisdom for clarity for many things actually. So when we say clarity, many a times we have I would say whenever I take a one-on-one, what happens is people who come to me for one-on-one, they are mostly revolving around what is happening in life right now or what they don't want from the life right now. So two types. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, विच इज फाइन, और ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए। जैसे कि आई डू नॉट वांट पीपल टू डिसरिस्पेक्ट मी, आई डू नॉट वांट पीपल टू इग्नोर मी, आई डू नॉट वांट I do not want very angry boss. I do not want my kids to disrespect me. I do not want lack in my life. I do not want this money crunch. I do not have support. I do not have money. I do not have time. I do not have the right support with me. So it's always around, I do not want this. Today, I want you all to know that the right intention, everything we have in our life is because of our underlying intention, around that. So, why I'm talking about intention is I want you all to move from I do not want to I want. What do you want? So because for so many years, for so many months, we have been going around what we do not want. What do we attract is what we do not want. Again, when I said frequency, so it's like this. When we say that I don't want this, we get what we don't want. When we start to change it to I want this. So, for example, if I convert it to I want a harmonious life where I want everyone to give me love and respect. I want a life where I have enough of energy and time to work on my dreams and desires. I want plenty of, resources around me. I want right support in my life. I want right money in my life. So once we change that, why? Because wherever your focus goes, energy flows. Wherever you, if your focus is on the lack, that you don't want this and this is happening, then we will be attracting lack. But if we change our focus from lack to abundance, our energy starts to flow in that direction. So from today, change it from I don't want to I want. And कैसे कैसे करेंगे? So that's why I have chosen the topic for today, that I seek clarity with wisdom. Sometimes I would say, even if it is not a word as clarity, make it I seek wisdom. Wisdom to attract opportunities in life, wisdom to attract right resources in my life, wisdom to attract right mentors in my life. So, when right guidance is in my life, I will attract the right lessons in my life, right? So hi Devinder ji, good morning. If you can switch on your camera, it would be great. Okay, no problem. We'll go ahead whenever you are, ready. Good morning, good morning. Whenever you are ready, switch on your camera. I get more of energy, seeing you guys, not with these black boxes. Right? Yes. Okay. Thank you for joining in. I will be moving ahead. So I was talking about seeking seeking from universe, that I want clarity. I want the wisdom to understand the clarity. What do I want in my life? So कई लोग हम लोग घूमते रहते हैं लाइफ में, आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते। क्यों? क्योंकि हम लोगों को यही नहीं पता है कि हमें चाहिए क्या। So focus has to be shifted. So for so many years in my life, I was focused on this lack, and I used to tell me a lot many times that मेरे बच्चे छोटे हैं, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मेरे बच्चे खाते नहीं हैं तो उसकी वजह से मेरा पूरा दिन निकल जाता है. I am not working since many years, so I do not have the right money to spend on my own growth. I do not have the right support. I do not have the right time. I'm extremely busy. Saying all that, what I attracted, the same thing. Okay. So what universe says, if you feel that you do not have the time for yourself, be it. So be it. Tathastu. Do not have time for yourself. Okay, if you say that I do not have, money for myself, it's okay. If you feel so, it's fine. So it's not about what you see, you will believe. It's other way around. So what universe says is what we believe is what we see. Believing is seeing. So today start to convert whatever you want to have, attract in your life, start to believe that you have it. Because हम लोग in the hustle bustle of life इतनी सारी हमारे पास अच्छी चीजें होती हैं, पर हमारा सारा फोकस जो है वो लैक पे होता है कि क्या नहीं है, तो क्या है उसको अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर पाते, तो वो मल्टीप्लाई नहीं हो पाता। जो चीजें हैं अच्छी उस पे फोकस करेंगे, एनर्जी विल फ्लो टुवर्ड्स इट, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट विल expand. Wherever our focus goes, that expands. तो मेरे साथ कई साल मेरे इसी तरह से गुजर गए, where मेरा फोकस पूरी तरह से लैक पे होता था और लाइफ में सिर्फ और सिर्फ लैक ही अट्रैक्ट हो रहा था। And then when I learned it with time, with my mentors, with the right set of people around me, I understood that it's not about things will change around me. It's here I have to start changing to see the change around me. Making sense, guys? Making sense? Give me MS. Yeah, okay. So Niti is saying MS. Shambhavi seems to be busy in the morning chores, is it? Okay, Devinder ji had to leave. No problem. I'll share the recording with the guys so you can check it later. But whenever you are in the presence, the level of expansion is different. So I would move to the next thing, that every problem in the life is telling us that we are not learning the lessons. Because once we have learned the lesson, either the problem will get dissolved or the intensity of the problem will reduce. Every single time you get a challenge, think of it. It's your opportunity to get into track. It tells you that you are not on right track. So bring yourself back to track. And how will you do that? Any challenge comes in our life, consider it as opportunity of growth. We are here on this planet Earth to learn these lessons and upgrade ourselves for the next life. क्योंकि अगर इस जन्म में, इस लाइफ में हमने वो लेसन्स एक्वायर नहीं किए, हमने उससे अपने आप को अपग्रेड नहीं किया, if we didn't take all that learnings from it, which actually universe is trying to teach us, what happens is we keep getting the same challenges. Next time it will be even in the higher form, it will even be in a more stronger way, because what universe sees is that I keep giving nudges to this girl. I nudged her like this, I nudged her like this, I gave small nudges to her, but she is not ready to learn the lesson. She's like revolving here and there कि okay ठीक है, चलो चल जाएगा, जैसे चल रहा है अच्छा चल रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, लाइफ ऐसी ही होती है। बचपन से हम लोग यही सुनते आते हैं कि especially for women, success is always connected in a negative way. अगर विमेन ने अपने करियर पे ज्यादा ध्यान दिया तो सबकी तरफ से क्वेश्चंस आने शुरू होते हैं कि ये अपने बच्चों पे कुछ टाइम देती भी है या नहीं देती है, क्या ये कुछ घर में पति के साथ इसकी बनती भी है कि नहीं, खाना खिलाती है कि नहीं खिलाती है, बनाती है कि नहीं बनाती है। वही अगर एक मैन की बात हो, एक मैन की बात हो, सक्सेस इज ऑलवेज अटैच टू देम इन अ पॉजिटिव वे। अगर आदमी एक्सेल कर रहे हैं तो वी ऑल हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू सपोर्ट देम, वाओ व्हाट अ वंडरफुल मैन, कितना यार कितना अच्छा अचीव कर रहा है। जहाँ women, so it is around our society, this kind of thinking is around the society. But what are we, what are we taking from society? Are we also getting into that कि हाँ लाइफ तो ऐसी होती है कि इस तरह से काम चलाते रहना है और बढ़ते जाना है? So if we want to get out of that, क्यों? क्योंकि कई बार ऐसे जी एनीबॉडी हु हैज बीन happier from the very beginning कि उसको ऐसे ही लाइफ चाहिए. So people, so why am I talking about clarity today is clarity is something like this. किसी को शुरू से पता है कि उसने अपने बच्चों के साथ बढ़ना है, बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, बच्चों को खिलाना है, उनके साथ खेलना है. And if that person is focused and clear about that goal, that person will remain happy their entire life. बिकॉज वो वही कर रहे हैं जो उन्होंने गोल्स ड्रीम्स एंड डिजायर्स अपने रखे हैं, एंड इट इज परफेक्टली ऑल राइट, एंड आई वुड से कुडोज टू सच women who are doing this. But I would say for women who are doing it but doing it unhappily, they need to do it, they need to understand what is their dreams and desires. कहाँ उनको ये एंजाइटी कवर अप कर रही है, कहाँ उनको ये प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर रही है, क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी अपनी अगर लाइफ से एक्सपेक्टेशन कुछ और रही है. They need to work on that, because if you are being a giver soul for your years and years, what happens to start is you start to become bitter rather than better. So I chose to be guilty over being bitter. If you feel the same, give me MS, give me thumbs up. If you choose to be better and rather bitter, if you choose to be guilty rather than bitter. Yes, thank you, Niti. Thank you for that, MS. So, yeah, Shambhavi, thank you for that thumbs up. So, it is about people. कोई शुरू से अगर उन्होंने सोचा है कि उनको टीचिंग करनी है, they want to be a teacher. Once they become teacher, they are a happy soul. It's all about आपने अपने लिए क्या goals and dreams रखे हैं. So आज मैं चाहती हूँ everybody here would decide first, work on every time I sit with myself. जब भी मैं परेशान होती हूँ लाइफ में, what do I do is I ask a very powerful question to myself. What do you want, Rajni? What do you want? What is your expectation from your life right now? What are you looking for? What do you want? और ये ऐसे नहीं आता है. You have to sit with yourself with a pen and paper, and whatever comes in your mind, keep writing, and then you will be able to trace what exactly you want. You may write one page of thing, but then उसमें से हो सकता है सिर्फ दो चीज ही ऐसी हैं which will give you a path, a guidance. So let's do that. And so yes, so I ask myself that what do you want, Rajni? So if Shambhavi is doing that, Shambhavi will ask herself, what do you want, Shambhavi? What do you want, Niti? When no one in the planet, think of it and listen to it very carefully what I'm saying. When no one on this planet Earth is watching you, think of it. What will you do? If you have no one around who is actually watching you, at that particular moment, what does your heart say? What does your mind say? What do you want to do? If everything is working in favor of you, what would you like to do? Sorry. If a genie comes in your way and say, हर चीज परफेक्ट है आपकी लाइफ में, आपको क्या चाहिए? आप बताओ. What you really want. So problem is not only about clarity, problem is also about the courage. कई साल मुझे पता था, इवन बचपन से मुझे पता था कि आई एम नॉट अ टेकी पर्सन. आई एम नॉट समवन हु वुड वर्क टू गो अराउंड दिस टेक्निकल काइंड ऑफ जॉब. बट सब कर रहे थे, सो मैं भी कर रही थी. So what is it about when people in my community